Welcome to our channel. So today we are going to see the plans and details about the Forsage. Actually, we have done a few videos regarding the Forsage plans and things like that. Okay, so if you didn't check those videos, kindly check those. And today is most important for the team development which we are planning to do. Okay, so let me explain some few basic details about the Forsage. Okay, so first of all, it is a Ethereum based smart contract. We get paid and we will be paying in Ethereum. Okay, so that is the basic currency which we are going to use in this. Okay, so and one more important is this smart contract is a completely a decentralized one, and we are going to get paid directly from the upline or download who we are referring. So that is one of the important thing, and let me explain how. Okay, so that then more you can understand completely how this process will work through. Okay, so check this out. I have referred around 16 members. Okay, so in these 16 members, I have earned like 33 Ethereum. Okay, so in X3, I have earned only 0.625. It's less than 1 Ethereum I have earned. But in X4, I have earned around 32 Ethereum. Okay, so why? Because it is completely a teamwork. Okay, so actually I have referred only 16 people, but the 16 people have worked and they have referred few multiple peoples to our team, and they are referring continuously. That's the reason we are getting this much of returns. Okay, so for this we need to help the downlines or the referral in your way. Okay, so for that we have to help them, so then the payment will automatically get to yourself. Okay, for that you have to help the referral people. Like if you're okay with referring like 10 to 10 members. Okay, so for example, if you're referring 10 members, okay, that is enough for you. But you have to support the 10 to get them referral. Okay, so before that I will explain something related to that process, how this X3 and X4 works. Okay, so the X3 and X4, it's completely works under the referrals. Okay, so first X3, we can get 3 referral. If we are, for example, I'm referring 4 people. Okay, so for 4, one you will get the direct payout, and the second you will get the direct payout, and the third one it will go to your upliner. Okay, so the people who referred you, they will get the third referral from your side. Okay, so and the fourth one you will get. So likewise the system will continue. Okay, so the third one, what they are mentioned like is that is a ID activation fee. Okay, so for that fee will go to your upline. Okay, so for example, if A is referred you, means for that A, that third one will go 0.025 Ethereum. Okay, so that is the thing. Here in X3 it's going. Likewise in X4. Okay, so in X4 it's the same. If you are referring the referral, in X4. Okay, so in X4 we have referred 4 people, right? So in that 4 people, they will referring other, means for that referrals we will get paid. Like if your downline 2 people have referred each 2, means for that you will receive 3 payments, and the rest. Okay, so and the rest will go to your upline. Okay, so this is how the system will work. And what is the initial payment for the system is only 0.05 Ethereum. Okay, so that is the only thing. It's less than I think it's around $20. Okay, so it's a simple login process, and you can make a multiple of Ethereum while you are referring the other people's. Okay, so that is a important thing we have seen here. Okay, and for this 0.05 Ethereum, it's going to split like 0.025, like a two slot. It will go to the x3 and the x4. Okay, so that's going to happen. And very important is, so in this process you have to refer people, then only you will get paid. Okay, so that is an important thing, and you have to support the people who are referred you. Okay, so the most important is those things. Okay, so here in our team, what I'm doing is, so if you're joining under my link, okay, so if you're joining under my link, I will be paying you back the Ethereum 0.025 Ethereum. I will be paying you back because you have joined direct to me, right? So that's why I'm giving the offer for the people who are joining direct to me, and I will be helping those people to get a referral, and those referral have to work right. So for that we will be guiding those people to get more percentage of Ethereum. Okay, so for that, what you have to do is, if you are ready to join this team, you can directly ping me through the Telegram. I will be giving the link in the description. Okay, so you can just click the link, and you can directly contact me through that. And I didn't post any referral links or links in description or comment, something like that. I don't post the referral links here because why means we are doing a team, right? So that's the reason. So I can give my direct referral through the Telegram chat once after we have discussed whatever the things we have going to do, and we are planning this very well, and we are going to take this business to the next level. Okay, so that's the reason we are doing this type of works, and we need good people for a good team. So that's an important thing too. Okay, so kindly if you're interested, and you can, and if you can refer some people means, and you can afford this much Ethereum means, you can join direct to my. And the important thing is, I will be paying you back the 50% which you have invested. Okay, so that is a beauty of thing you have going to receive, because just $10 investment, and you going to make the Ethereum grow. And once you are getting more Ethereum, so that is happy for you, and it's happy for me. In next coming business also, we can work together like this, and we can make a good team for the complete networking process. Okay, so this crypto related process. So ping me through the Telegram. We will be, so kindly check the link in the description so that you can ping me through the Telegram. Okay, so thank you so much. We'll see you next time.